今天用花生和芝麻来分享麻酱的做法。芝麻酱和花生酱，细腻香醇，家庭必备，做法简单易学。准备1斤的生白芝麻，倒入锅中，开小火，不停地翻炒。炒5到6分钟，芝麻开始变得油亮，10到15分钟开始微黄，30分钟后颜色变得金黄，像这样就可以了。分2次倒入破壁机，加入6颗冰糖、1勺盐，开始低速打碎。打不动的时候，用勺子翻动几次，再提速打成泥。
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.
今天就分享到这里，喜欢我记得关注我，我是夏妈。